Yeah, you can't quite see the flashes, can you?
No.
It's not been moving away.
Possibly.
I did the photo.
We had a massive storm come through about an hour or so ago, and it was over towards the port until Luandu. Luckily it missed us, no rain at all. But it's been a lot of lightning, very, very frightening. Scare loose, can you do the fandango? Up there. But it's maybe not coming out on camera very well. But, it might rain tonight, you said? Possibly. Well, they did warn everybody that there was going to be thunder lightning, didn't they? Pardon? Is it? Ooh. Life's getting wet too.
Oh well.
Oh dear.
It's shelter, it's not all getting wet.
Yeah. Anyway, that's going to keep the dust down tomorrow.